Domingo, what are you doing?
Hey, Tyler, do we have any more of those choice HOs, the hose?
For what?
Seriously? Let me show you. Plug that in. I need more hose.
I get it now.
Principal LED choice HOs. Today only, $29. Ho. Hey Tyler, what are you working on?
I'm just putting the graphics on for our new promotion.
Like that?
What do you mean? You're gonna look at it going 70 miles an hour down the road.
Yeah, but you left your squeegee in there.
Huh. Well, I can't help you with your wrap skills, but if you're looking for a good wrap material, SLX Plus, today only, the kits are $9.99. Get them while you can.
Ho.
Hey, I think that's crooked.
All right, guys, lift with your legs.
Hey guys, don't you know it's Aluma Light?
Oh. Illuminate, today only, $120 a sheet. Get it while you can.
Ho.
Hey Domingo, what are you doing?
Looking at general formulations?
Okay, I need you to come with me, but you're not allowed to ask where we're going or what we're doing.
Okay.
And you're gonna need this.
Ho. Really?
Yeah, it's the only way we'd be able to save our customers money.
Ho. Ho. Hey, go get the forklift. Hurry up.
General Formulations, today only. Get it while it's hot. Wensco.com.
Ho. Let's go.
Hey, do you have any ideas? We're trying to come up with an idea for the Sign and Cake video for the sale we have going on this week. Do you have any ideas for the video?
My only idea would be to don't show the video from last year of me tripping over the Laminacorr. Make me look stupid.
You got it. Let's roll it.
Hey, Laminacorr Deluxes. Gray for $50. $70 for black or white. Today only. Ho. Hey Tyler, what you working on?
I'm not supposed to show you this, but you'll never guess what we're getting for Christmas.
From who?
I'll let you take one guess.
Person of the year? Ho, no.
It's a good thing all these coral packs are on sale. Through Monday, Coral Pack FG 170, regular coral packs 185. Get them while you can.
Ho, no still.
Domingo, what are you doing?
Hey, 12 days of Christmas. If we're gonna go big for our customers, why not go big?
You want to do this?
Absolutely.
All
Hey,
right.
let me show you.
Really?
Absolutely. E-Core skid, man. This big bad boy holds 275 sheets, and you can get it today for $2,000.
I'll take two.
Ho.
Welcome back to Wensco Family Feud. We are looking for the top 4 answers on what is the best-selling product that Wensco has to offer. We currently have 3 of the answers on the board. We are looking for the number 1 answer. 1 strike. This is for the win. Tayton, what is the best-selling product that Wensco offers?
Stanley LED?
What?
I got it.
And survey says that might have been the worst answer we had of the day. But all right, this is for the win. We have 2 strikes. This is your last chance. Domingo, what is the best-selling product that Wensco offers?
All right, give me the answers again before I answer.
Yeah, we currently have Alpha 6mm, Alpha Tape, Alpha Intermediate. We're looking for the number 1 answer. Domingo, what is your answer?
I got it.
All right.
Is it Alpha Panel?
Survey says that is correct. Alpha Panel, $41 a sheet. Today only. Get it while you can.
Oh, yeah, baby!
We gotta come up with something for the Alpha 6 mil promotion. Something that really moves the needle. You got any ideas?
Move the needle. You know I dislike that. Come on, let's think of something. Spaghetti on the wall. We can come up with something good. Tyler, what are you doing in my office?
This is exactly what you asked me to do. Spaghetti on a wall.
This is Alpha 6 mil removable, right?
Yeah, it's definitely removable. Yeah, for sure.
Tyler!
Alpha 6 mil available in permanent and removable. On sale today only. Ho, ho, ho!
And you took my line too? Welcome back to the Wensco 12 Days of Christmas. I'm here with Tyler Hull, and it looks like we have a big sale coming up. Is your team prepared?
Yeah, I mean, Domingo, we've been training pretty hard, so some of us are definitely ready for the sale. Some of us,
Push!
yeah, let's just say we'll get there by the time the sale comes around for sure.
Well, I'm seeing these big fome-cor 3/16 4x8 sheets. Logistically, these are pretty big.
Yeah, I think we have plenty of vans and drivers and trucks. Yeah, exactly. So it should be just fine.
Hey, get it while it's hot. $15 a sheet, 3/16 4x8 fome-cor. Ho, ho, ho. Yep. Come in. Oh, man. Let me call you back. Look at this. I told you, no UPS deliveries. I only want Wensco trucks.
Did someone say Wensco truck deliveries? 3M IJ180 on sale today only. You can keep getting it from the little fella, or you can get it delivered by a Wensco delivery driver today. On sale, get it while you can. Ho, ho, ho.
Ho, ho, no.
Ho, ho, ho.
It's the last day of our 12 Days of Christmas sale, and as a thank you to you, all previous 11 days are going to be on sale for the last day, today only. So this is really a thank you for all the support and love you guys showed on our videos for the last 11 days. The amount of support and likes and comments we got in the videos was awesome to see. So we just wanted to say thank you for that. Wensco's a family-owned business. We've been a family-owned business for 80 years. We don't plan on changing that anytime soon, and we hope you got to meet some of our family through the videos in these last 2 weeks or so. So I hope that shows you kind of what makes Wensco special, what makes us different from some of our competitors. So we just wanted to say, from our family to yours,
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Ho, ho, ho.
hey Brian, welcome.
Hey Tyler.
Wensco got this for our favorite rep from 3M, but
Oh,
here you go.
this is awesome.
you.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Oh, that's perfect. Perfect to hang in my office, be my background in my Teams meetings. This is phenomenal.
I thought you would just put it in your living room.
Or my
I think
living
it's
room,
perfect.
frame it.
Yeah.
That's a wonderful photo. I appreciate it. Thank you, Wensco. We appreciate the support.
Oh, you are so welcome. Ho, ho, ho.
Ho ho! No!